Disneyland. Here, you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. These iconic words welcome every Disney goer to the Disney parks. Ever since Disneyland opened its doors in 1955, the booming success of the parks has been undeniable. In 2015, the top 5 amusement park companies earned $26.9 billion. Of that, $16.6 billion was earned by Disney parks and resorts around the world. Every day, an average of 44,000 people have come to Disneyland. Yet the estimated capacity of the 85-acre park is 80,000 people. So, on an average, the park is only half full. Disneyland is split up into 8 lands: Critter Country, New Orleans Square, Adventureland, Frontierland, Mickey's Toontown, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and Main Street, USA. Each land is so stuffed with rides and attractions. There is so much in Disneyland that each time you go, you will have a new experience. Bloggers, vloggers, and Instagrammers alike have loving posts about the food in Disneyland all over their social media. Some of the different foods have reached an iconic quality. From turkey legs to churros to Dole Whip, Disneyland has cornered the market on amazing food. Some very lucky YouTube vloggers are able to make their living by going to Disneyland every single day and documenting the experience. One of the most popular Disneyland vloggers are the Fresh Baked Crew. Disneyland can be expensive. A one-day ticket to the Disneyland park on a peak Saturday in July is $135 for one person. The summer and weekends are the busiest and most expensive times for the park, and their prices reflect that. However, annual pass holders do get a discount, and the most expensive pass is $1,149. Yet that pass comes with free parking, a dining plan, and access to the park every single day. But if you're a lucky resident of Southern California, there is a pass for you that's only $367. However, you only have access to the parks on certain days that many people aren't there, and there is no food, and you have to park somewhere else. Still, I think that's a pretty great deal if you get to go to Disneyland all the time. After everything we've learned here, I would say that Disneyland looks like a whole lot of fun, and I can say from experience that it is. But my question for you is, with all the lights, the parades, the fun, the food, and the expense, is it actually worth it?